Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How are we doing out there? Sound off if you're in the chat. We are here, we are caffeinated, and we're ready to see what we can do here at this market. Okay, let's keep that, I guess. It's the same thing. And bring my numbers over here so I don't gotta retype them, I guess. All right. Zoom in a little bit. So first 15 minutes, it looks like that this is going to be our low. It's going to be a high. Not confirmed yet, but looking pretty close to it. All right. For everybody in the chat, let me know how you're doing. Is anybody taking any trades so far? Did anybody catch these ridiculous shorts? I know I didn't. Are we bearish? I don't know. Let the price action find out for us. Looks like we're about to get a little bit of a bullish engulfing here. Might be kind of hard to play it, but we shall see. Oh, in fact, did I already do that? Yeah. 400 liquidated block. Yes. Lock risk settings for today. Yes. Secret sauce right here, guys. Secret sauce right here. Put this in every single day. Don't even think about it. Don't even look at your charts before you lock this out. Anyway. Looks like we probably got that engulfing candle. Would have been an instant loss. Yeah, it would have been an instant loss right there. Glad we didn't play it. 1, 2. Yeah, guys, I don't have too much right now. Don't have too much. Patience is a virtue. Keeping the patience. Let's see what the market wants to do, because it looks like sellers are very much in the house. If we can get this crossing on the 5, I'll think about shorts. But right now, it's still kind of unclear to which, I have to be patient. Even though we didn't get a trade yesterday, that doesn't mean that I can just, start full porting and taking, D-grade setups today, right? So we're still going to look for decent trades here. But what we're not going to do, we're not just going to take some random willy-nilliness, and I'm hoping y'all can keep me accountable, because I have a habit of doing that sometimes. So we're not going to take some random nonsense. I'll be honest, I'm kind of conflicted on what my bias is. It almost looks like I should be looking for shorts right now, but we made all-time highs. I mean, we got to retrace eventually, right? But I'd rather not get caught up in that. So I'm neutral for right now. Neutral for right now, trying to see what we want to do. Yeah, so right now we're just looking for candle closures, body closures, stuff like that. I do kind of like how we're kind of extended from this this 1 minute looks a little extended. I do kind of like that. But we'll see. It really does look like we want to keep on punching down though. We're getting failures to close below the orb. Can we see buyers here? This is the start of this move right here. Technically hitting a move origin. It's difficult. It's not the easiest thing to look at right now. Just need a little bit more confirmation. But I do like buying the lows. Cheap trade. If I was bullish. Posture. This little PSA, watch your posture, guys. I know somebody slumped over the keyboard right now. I just was. So, there we go. Much better. Watch your posture. Watch your posture. Whoa. Okay. Did somebody say something? Did somebody say something? Oh, yeah, look how extended we are. Ooh-wee. All right, looks like we're finally getting those pullbacks, boys and girls. Alright, so right now I am very much neutral. Very much neutral. Not too much I can do right here. Let's take a look at ES. ES is also just it's just dumping down the gold. 1, 2, 3. Gold looks pretty nice to go higher. Yeah, she is just sliding down there, guys. Go on with your bad self. Alright, so let's see if we want to take these lows right here. Or do buyers want to step up? Placing a dummy trade here, guys. Quick little dummy trade, just to get a feel for volume. So this is not the actual trade. You're about to hear an order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I would say about 3 micros is good for today. Maybe 4.
Order filled.
Yeah, I would say that's good enough for today. Cool. 3 to 4 micros. That should give us like 3 tries. 3 shots in the chamber there. Yeah, that's
Order
good.
Filled.
Might be one of those days where you just gotta pick a direction and hop in there, fellers. Looking like it. All right, thinking about being bearish here, guys. We're about to get a 5-minute crossing here. Still expecting some rejections somewhere eventually to come up back into the range and maybe start to print back down lower. So let's see, start drawing out some fib levels to see how low this wants to go. taking those lows now. Taking those lows, could see some what you call it. What's up, Money Glitch? I see you. Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. All right, snip the low. Just barely. Barely. Quite a reaction out of that. If I was an order flow guy and just looking for a cheap trade, I'd probably start looking for a long right now. But I ain't got no proof of that. We wait. We wait. All right, bubbling up there. All right, might be a good idea to remain bearish. All right, almost getting that crossing here. I mean, that's basically it. That's basically a crossing on the 5. 1 minute is kind of overextended. I have nothing to get me into a long or a short here, though. I don't know, maybe if this candle closes engulfing, maybe we can think about it. That's another 5 minutes or so. Literally just nicked those lows though. Might want to come down and swipe a little bit more right there. But we'll see. Got another 3 minutes in this 5 minute candle. gold making those highs like we thought. Gold looks really good to expand upwards. Really good. I agree with you, Money Glitch. Today is really tough to read. Really tough. But what else do you expect from all-time highs? Yeah, but today is really rough. I ain't got too much. Starting to get a crossing here on the 5. Very powerful right there. Very, very, very powerful. So what we're going to do, we're going to sweep these lows a little bit because we only took these lows by like a point. I wouldn't be surprised if we would just want to crash down one more time. Just not seeing any sweeps right now, so I can't really entertain shorts. Till we see like something like 1, 2, 3, till we see that get swept. I'm trying to sit on my hands. I also don't want to be the first person to buy this. It's also not the best idea since this would be a bullish engulfing with everything saying that we want to point downwards. So you know, kind of sitting on hands in the meantime. Look like we can try and expand the reversal. But once again, need confirmation that it's going to happen first. Can't just blindly buy into it. Doesn't even look like we're about to get an engulfing on the 5. So once again, hands are tied. Yeah, what the hell was that? Look at that closure right there. All right, another 5 minutes. Let's see what we want to do here. Whew. Oh man. Difficult day. Sir Secker, what's up, man? What's up? We're big neutral right now. Big neutral, trying to see what we want to do with these lows right here. If I could get an engulfing candle, I'll entertain a long. But this 5-minute crossing looks really bad. So whatever we do is going to be very short-lived. Not looking for the whole world. Yeah, not looking for the whole world. Tough reading today. Tough reading, tough reading, tough reading. Indeed. Indeed, indeed. We're definitely trending lower. I just want to see if I could catch like a quick little pop up here, but like this right here is like very strong. Like a 5-minute crossing to the downside. So I'm officially looking for shorts. Just want to see when it wants to tag us in. One, two, three. You could say this is your SBS, but I don't like this right here. A little bit of trend line right here. So we'll see in a second. That 5-minute looks like it's mostly wick. One, two, three. I don't know. That's your 5-minute engulfing. It's mostly wick though, with this saying that it might want to crash down lower. Yeah, that might just fail. So I'm gonna leave that alone. Whew. Hey, Babish, what's up? Versus trend line is 99% protected. True. There's that flip I was looking for. Damn it. Yes, they are. Bears are going crazy right now. Bears are going absolutely crazy. It's about time, right? It's about time. Yeah, so it looks like this kind of SBS play is working out. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of come up into here. Maybe we want to start pushing down a little bit lower. Because once again, us nicking this level right here was kind of weird. Usually we would probably try to take lows by like, you know, like 5, 10 points, something like that. And then trace up. So nicking this right here, I don't trust it at all. For like a reversal, so we'll see. Yeah, we didn't have a trade yesterday. We might not have a trade today. If I keep on flip-flopping like this. Yeah, like I would need buyers to like really show up like right now, and I don't think that's happening. Yeah. You know, just a little staircase constantly going lower. Constantly going lower, constantly going lower. But I do like sweeps though. I do like the fact that we haven't had any sweeps in this area. This 5 minute already flipped up, so if it wanted to go, it should have did it already. Yeah, look like we're about to get another low here. Yeah, could have did something like this. Don't like the fact we didn't have any sweeps right there, so no big deal. No big deal. Boom. All right, took that low finally. Took that low finally. Took that low. So glad we stayed out of that trade right there. Big rejection right here. Takes low, rejects, buyer step in. Buyer stepping in hard. See, I don't know. We gotta sell off eventually, right? Yeah. Big wick there. Bigu wiggu. Alright. Still waiting. Waiting for the market to tip per hand. Now this is a day where I would be interested in PM session if I don't get anything in the morning. Yeah, nothing there. Whew, NASDAQ. Let's look at the gold. Gold making those highs. Sure, just took gold. Gold looked pretty easy. 1, 2, 3. And it's not a sweep though. Her candles aren't exactly brilliant, but the direction was pretty clear on gold. For the time being, at least. She seems less moody too. What's ES doing? ES is being ES. ES is tooken lows. Huh. Taken, tooken. Kind of like this for an expanded reversal, but I need more proof. Barcoding on the 5. There we go. That's the energy and enthusiasm I was looking for. This is pretty damning, though. Maybe we can see a situation kind of like this. See if we want to test the 20 right here. Damn, all of that is a 1 to 2 as well. I'll have to try and boogie out of that like really quickly. Decisions, guys. Decisions. Put my desk in stand mode for a second. All right. Buyers are showing up. Boom. All right. Damn, I wish I was down here though. Another minute or so in this candle. Come on. Big rejection right there. Let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could we play this short? That's the real question. This could be your 5 right here. I might give this short a shot. Alright guys, I'm in those shorts right there. 4 micros. Take it up to here for about $100. See if we want to make a new low from right here. Might bail. I'm gonna bail out of that. Yep. Okay, first trade, first stab didn't work. Looks like that was just a retracement just to go higher. That was the 5-minute bullish engulfing that I was looking for, and I still didn't take it. Is what it is. Might hop back in, might not. We will see. But bulls did look a little enthusiastic right there. Still has potential. Yep, first attempt didn't work. Good morning, good morning. First stab didn't work. We're going to see what we can do here. Man, that flip was really nice. Hey. Darn it. Let's see what we want to do right here. If we can get up to this level right here, I want to see how price reacts. Keeping in mind that I might want to sweep all of this, honestly. Damn, why didn't I take this long? I was waiting for this engulfing candle for a while. Still didn't take it. Yeah, so I'm looking for a reaction out of here. See what it wants to do. Good. God damn it. Ain't that nothing. Trying not to get faked out right here. This could just flip right on up really strongly. Do we give it another shot? What's my 30 seconds saying? Not yet. Alright, we might have a shot here, guys.
Order filled.
Alright, let me give that one more stab. Stops about here. See if we want to make more lows. A little bit of room to add. Nice. Waiting for a closure below here on the 20. Full move.
Order filled.
Tighten up stops just a bit. Would love a closure below here on the 1 minute. Got plenty of time in this 5 minute candle. It's kind of scaring me a bit. It would be nice if we could just blast through all of this. It would be beautiful. Alright, I think we should have gotten a closure there on the 1 minute. Now just waiting for this to expand lower. Hoping that we can do it. I'm gonna tighten up stops just a little bit if we can take this wick right here. I'm gonna tighten up stops right there. No longer willing to take a full loss right there. If we can take this low here, I'll think about taking the whole thing off, honestly. But this looks pretty decent. Just waiting for NQ to not do anything stupid. Beautiful. Just waiting for this to kind of smash down here. Don't like that rejection. Uh. Five-minute engulfing incoming. Looks pretty decent. Probably get a little bit of retracement right here. But looking for this to kind of follow through a bit. I would love to take some partials to secure a break-even day. But I'm gonna let this rock to at least the whatchamacallit. This could come back to entry, guys. Yeah, this very could just come back to entry. Just waiting for this to break down if she wants to do it. Wish I had a little bit more on the trade, but I don't. It is what it is. Don't think she likes it down here. Don't think she likes it down here, guys. That wick is really bothering us. All right, guys, that really should have flipped down by now. I'm thinking about closing. Yeah, I'm thinking about just collapsing this one. Following the rules sucks sometimes, man. Could add some more. Just not confident she wants to go down now. I like the trade. I like the size. I like the stops where it's at. So. I see SBS 2 bullish. Yeah, it's very possible. The problem is your SMAs are just not in a bullish, like, we're not in a bullish mode right now. That's why I'm kind of hoping that it just fails. But we are here for a minute. $5 minute did not flip down the way I wanted it to. I want to add so bad, but it's a tricky trade. I'm already technically down. One more right there. All right, guys. Well, we could not break down any lower. We couldn't break down any lower, and this doesn't look all that fantastic, so. Still like this for another drop down.
Order filled.
Or not. Always trade for break even, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Can we close below back here on the 20 again? That'll be great. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Very, all right, I'm gonna take 3 off right there, securing break even. I'm gonna let the rest of those 3 rock. And at this point, guys, I'm no longer willing to take a loss, so I'm gonna break even right there. And that's going to be the trade. Hopefully the rest of that can just follow on through. Would be very nice. Watching here, watching here, watching here, watching here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take the lion's share right there for $80, and we're gonna let the rest of that last micro just flush on through. Hopefully we can see like a $200 day from this, but if not, it is what it is. I did kind of chicken out at the end, but this price action is really getting on my nerves, and I kind of want to be done with it. So we got on base today, guys. We got on base. Now, if this can like flush and follow through, that'd be really nice. That's a bearish engulfing there. Really nice. Might be worth adding, honestly. Might be worth adding. For me, they are red flag. The only thing I don't like is those wicks. Yeah, wicks in this market is like leave me alone, right? Like just big leave me alone price action. But we're hoping that this just craters onto the downside. We need like 120 for a 200, so we need something like that, honestly, just for 200. So we'll see. Kind of wish I would have added just a little bit more, but it is what it is. Do you guys even need the SBS markups? Like, I mean, I can put it, but I think the trade was pretty clear. One right here, and that'll probably come up to break even, which is fine. If that comes up to break even, I might call it a day, guys. We got on board. Nothing else you can do. I really don't like this 2 right here. 2, technically this is 3. 4 and 5. Yeah, because if that that bearish engulfing doesn't like take us lower, then that means it's just not meant to be. And I'd rather not just sit here and take silly trades. Yeah, I don't want to be here and just taking silliness. Don't want to be here taking silly trades. One minute looks good for this to go down, though. I will say that. I heard a trader say, let your runners win and let your trade, make a little bit of money or something like that. I forgot exactly what he said, but the concept here is just let the last micro just run. You know, we had a $60 loss earlier, and now we're up $80. So that's pretty decent, especially for a day like today. Especially for a day like today. I don't like how we're staying here though. All right, is this the break, guys? Is this the break? I'm seeing liquidity at these levels. 15-minute bearish engulfing. Doesn't look too bad. Can we turn the market back on? ICT! Can you turn the market on for me? Please. I don't like how we're struggling. Did we make a new low there? Nope. All right, guys. Whatever happens to this trade, I'm gonna be done for today. Yeah, I'm gonna just be done for today. Just kind of just staying here. Would love a home run win though. That'd be great. All right, wick test. Come on, 5 minute, hold us down, please. Drop, base, drop, that type of jazz. Happy with my patience though. Didn't really oversize on nothing. And didn't oversize, didn't chase a trade. Let the trade come to us. What more can you ask for? All right, bubbling up here. Man, I really want to add one more. Not scientifically possible. All right, looks like we're bubbling up once again. Yeah, that might hit us out. That might hit us out. I'm gonna go with a little bit of risk right there. $40. Looking for a bigger day here. Pretty much just risking what we made on that last trade.
Order filled.
that's about to close in golfing, isn't it? Reject. Reject some more. Come on, reject. Doesn't seem like it. All right, bullish engulfing at these lows. Looks like she wants to teleport up. May have made the wrong decision there. Not what I wanted to see, honestly, but expected outcome. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I'm about to collapse in a second. Got a bullish engulfing here. Kind of looks like we want to continue higher, but it's just, bullish SBS right here. It's possible. I don't know. We're kind of flim-flamming right now. I'd rather walk away with something on the day, to be honest. If we can start screaming here, that'll be beautiful. We can start screaming downward here. Give me another low. Give me another low. It's the wick. The wick is scaring everybody, man. Yeah. Alright, guys. I'm about to close in a second. I've given it enough time. I've given it enough time. Shit. Okay. Alright, guys. I may be on the wrong side here. Maybe on the wrong side here once again. But it's okay. I think that's just a break-even day. I don't know why we like these lows. It's a little weird to me, but... Looks like we're getting support from the 1 minute too. Oh, sorry. All right, and incoming. Oh, my English looks like that yours is working out. Looks like your trade is working out there, buddy. Yeah, I don't like it anymore. I think she's about to make a new high. I'm gonna still hold just in case. Just in case. Still didn't close here on the 30-second. Need like a long, strong candle here. That's what she said. Need some strength here in order for this to work. Yeah, if this is going to work, it's got to be like I needed a closure like all the way down here. Not strong enough. Looks decent on the 30-second. I don't want to add. Just waiting for this to crater. Come on. Don't do that. Just waiting for this to crater. Damn it. If we can get to these lows here, I'll think about taking the partial. Playing everybody's heartstrings, isn't she? Very nice. Can we see some momentum here? Can we see some momentum here, or back into the range we go? All right, guys, I'm out. I'm getting tired of this. I'm getting tired of that. I'm not about to just sit here and watch the market go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Especially we're at an area where I think we could be offside, so we'll just wait a second. But yeah, I'm not about to just sit through that. So not the best executions today, but we made a little bit of scratch. right, so I did all that for $100. Now watch, it starts to break down right now. Watch. It happens every single time because that's what NQ does. Watch, it just starts to go down all the way with the fury of the Amazons. Watch. Watch it start to crater. Was that a bullet bearish and cup? Oh my goodness. It was. There's your confidence to hold right there. Go ahead and do it, NQ. You shook me out. You shook me out. Uh-huh. I know. Yep. Yep, just go ahead and create a watch. Watch the pop. Watch the pop, not in them out. Dude. Every time. I have no idea how NQ does this every single time. It does it every single time. Every time, dude. I waited through all this. We started bubbling back up just for us to start going down lower now. Every time. You can't catch a break. Every time, NQ. Every time. Yup, just go ahead and drop. Go ahead and drop to new lows. Every time. Never fails. How does she do it every single time? Every single time I close, NQ, then it just fooms, goes right back down, dude. Every single time. Lordy. I don't even have my runner on. Ain't that nothing? Ain't that some shit? As soon as I close. It does it every single time, man. I don't know how NQ keeps doing this. I do not know how I keep getting faked out by, I mean, not faked out, but just, that's very frustrating. And now she's just gonna make me lose. So how long was in this trade? So let's trade for 20 minutes. Tell you. Boy, I tell you. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. What's sad is I feel I had good patience today. It just wasn't enough. Wasn't enough today. Wasn't enough today. Hey, I mean, we're green, you know. We're green on the day, but man, this could have been. I just missed out on about $200 right there on that little pop down. That's very disappointing. Very disappointing. Very disappointing. Anyway, how'd you guys do? How's everybody else doing? Seconds away. You saw my trade. Seconds away. I say seconds away. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, about 2 minutes. If it would have held for 2 more minutes. Would have held for 2 more minutes there, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, guys, I might lock it up for today. I'm thinking about locking it up for today. I don't think there's going to be too much opportunity right now. Would love to go back in, but that's really frustrating. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling a little bit of FOMO already. We've been at this for about 2 hours or so. An hour and a half. Been at this for about an hour and a half, just staring at the screen. But yeah, technically we caught the pullback. 5 minutes said stay bearish. 1 minute also said stay bearish. Got closed below here on the 1 minute. Had pretty decent entries too. Pretty decent entries, but just didn't have the nuts to hold. It is what it is. True. All right, guys, full port long. Time to full port long. I know that's the wrong idea, but let me see. Do I close it here at $100? It's technically 5% of my account. Didn't do too bad. Break even money glitch? I feel you. It's one of those break even type of days. Hey, Cup Guy, what's up, man? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Currently sitting at 1L, 1 win so far in the day. Yeah, currently sitting at that number right there. Yeah, but it's going well. It's going well. I got shaken out of this move right here as soon as we made this retracement up here. And it was all gas, no brakes to the downside as soon as I decided to close. It's like they're watching. It's been going not too bad, Cupcake. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Trying to get my feet and my bearings back. As far as trading is concerned, anyway. I really wanted a banger today, but man, couldn't get a banger today. Could not get that banger. Now we're at this area where we could just do literally anything. I don't have nothing to get me into a trade right now, unfortunately. Trying to see if there's any more opportunity here, but it doesn't really look like it right now. It's 50 minutes about to close. Hasn't really taken any major levels. We could see lower. But man, looking for shorts at these levels is like, ugh. The correct answer is to let this base hit, just add up, let it compound, and just call it a day. That's the correct answer. Man, I really feel like pushing it today for some reason. I don't know why. It usually ends in failure. Yeah, it's nothing here. What do we got? We got the big day tomorrow, right? FOMC is tomorrow. Yeah, I got the big day tomorrow. Yeah. I guess the only thing to do is to really just survive this week. That's our only job at this point. Just survive. We need to survive. Only time will tell. Good luck, Cup got. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Oh, I ain't kill you, bastard. Whoa, look at that rejection. Look at that rejection there. Just gave back all of that. Wow. Well, that was a flip for you. The one, it's not exactly expanded for a long. That's the only problem. You're not exactly expanded here. But we haven't made a new low. This is not an SBS. Yeah, I don't really have too much here. Could this be seen as a break in structure? I don't know. Buyers look kind of aggressive right now. Looks like that's about to get blown through. Has potential. Ooh, nothing kind of agrees right now. Test here on the 200 for the 30-second. I'm kind of fishing right now, though. Doesn't look terrible. Yeah, it looks like that 20 test was correct. Yep. I can't get in though. Darn. Let me give it a shot. See if we want to make a new low here. Just need all gas, no brakes. Might be getting short here a little bit too low. But believing in the 5-minute here. Still believing in the 5-minute. All right, a little 5-minute flip there. Look like she doesn't agree. Stand stops just a bit. See if this wants to come down.
Order filled.
And I think I just gave back profits for the entire day. flip down. There we go. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. There we go. Wow. One push down NASDAQ. That's all we're looking for. Just like that. Just like that. All right.
Order filled.
Don't want to do it. That's fine.
Order filled.
I'll just take some off right there. Cool. And we'll let the rest of that rock. All right, guys. We did it somewhat. She didn't want to do it again, and blah blah blah. Y'all know the drill. Let's see if we can make new lows here. And then after this, we are definitely done. I got what I wanted today. Technically, I got what I wanted today. Sorry for the typing in your ear. Let me go ahead and put myself on a brief mute. Okay, guys, this is definitely the last trade, and I mean it this time. So if this comes back to BE, I'm done. If this one comes back to BE, we are definitely done. Do I want that to happen? Of course not, but gotta call it somewhere, right? All right, guys. Last trade. Last trade of the day. Didn't have the gumption to actually hold, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. I really want these lows. I really do. I really want these lows. Like, at least give me like to here, so you know what I mean? It's kind of a conservative target, honestly. I could let this rock all day. Like, okay, it's not going all the way down there. But still. Show me some love, NASDAQ, please. Would have been close to 300 if I would have held. Alrighty, we're starting to drop now. We're starting to drop, and I don't see too much in the way. So we'd just love for this to just cascade on downward. Like, can we stop playing, please? Can we stop playing? Just get on down there. Just get on down there, NASDAQ. Alright, finally out of stand mode. I could close right now for $200. Or close to it at least. But no, we're gonna let these lows get tagged. I mean, Jesus. We're not going up. So why not aim for lower, right? We're not going up. And close to 200. Yeah, I'm expecting NQ to attack these lows now. So let's just sit here and watch it, I guess. Put this on the 5-minute, and we're just gonna let this rock. I wish this last micro was up here. But I think I'm not gonna choke this one, guys, because I think we should just, you know, we haven't went up. So I think we just go lower. Like, why not, right? But we're also not going lower right now. right, there's your break. I don't want to see this come back into the range. I kind of want this to follow through now. We take this low and come back up. That means we're just gonna come back and start chopping again. Yeah. Simply not worth for me calling for $25. Just simply not. All right, looks like we're about to get stopped into the break-evens. That's a bullish engulfing. Yeah, so this is probably going to tag us out right here, guys. Which is fine. I feel like I'm being greedy. All the way down here is 300. I would like 300. 300 sounds nice. Would like it to close like that. That'd be fantastic. Looking pretty good so far. Still 2 minutes in this 5-minute candle though. We will see. We shall see. Flex tonight. All right, retracing just a little bit. All right, letting the runner win. Can she win big for us? Honestly, I don't know. Now we're bearish engulfing here. This is not 14 bucks. Come on. All right, so this is technically a move origin right here. I don't know. I could have locked in an extra 50 there, but it's all good. You're not shaking me out this time, NQ. Oh, well, never mind. You're kind of shaking me out. We're a little expanded on the 5. goes up. Oh, well, it's not too much. It's not a terrible amount. We're just letting it rock, guys. Just letting it rock. All right, NQ. I think you're gonna bust me out here, so just do it so I can get out of here. Suddenly a drop, base, drop again. Money glitch, I'm hoping so. Because today was rough, man. Today was rough. Yeah, it looks like we're getting a little bit of support right there. So, unless this move origin holds. Not looking to add into this one though, boys. If this comes up and makes a new high, I'm fine with it. That original idea was the play of the day. Lot of liquidity right here, though. Look at this trend line right here. That's almost perfectly 4 taps. I mean, more if you really want to be technical about it. That's crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Support and resistance having its day today. What? Once again, another ad, but didn't add. It's all good. Hourly candle coming up in 2 minutes. Let's see if this can burst us lower. Been giving y'all some long streams here lately, haven't I? And I haven't said the words yet. If you like what you're seeing, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz. I try to do this every other day. Helps the channel out if you do. Would love it if you do. Glad I didn't close right there. I also feel nothing for not adding, so that's good. Yeah, I'm waiting for some level, dog. I'm waiting for some level. In fact, get me out at some level. Really want this to just keep on running, honestly, but the chance of this is kind of low. I would say our objective is kind of met at this level here, but let's be a little bit greedy. Let's be a little bit greedy and ask for that. Yeah, 300. Why not? I deserve it. If you like what you're listening to, leave a like. Alliteration almost. Never bearish in golfing. Alright, now if we can start to drive, I'll put stops right here, and honestly, I'm gonna just walk away. Yeah, if we start to drive, I'm gonna move my stops into the profits. And then just walk away from this one. Don't like that blip. This is the good stuff, guys. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. We get new hourly. Doesn't look like it wants to go in that direction. But I said that like 6 times. Yeah, I think at this point I could do the 15-minute. All right, guys, it's lunchtime. I'm not thinking that we, just start rushing now all of a sudden. It's time for the Goldman Sachs boys to do their line of cocaine. So they're not at their desk. We may see retail as if I'm not retail. We may see, pea shooters like myself start to buy in this area right here. I kind of want them to get dusted, but there's nothing to say that they will. But we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. All right, I'm gonna stand up for a second. Going to stand up. Going to stand up. Going to stand up. But I want to sit here and watch it happen, though. I don't know, looking kind of low of dayish, isn't it? Looking a little low of dayish. Come on, what do you want? All right, close because of that bullish engulfing. Close because of that bullish engulfing right there. I don't like that. I don't like this candle right here. This candle closure at these lows. We're definitely at an area of interest for buyers to just come on in. I'm not seeing sellers just follow on through. This is the zone that I'm looking at right here. I kind of don't like it. We're technically bullish on the higher time frames, so I'm gonna just close that right there for 196. Wish it was 200, but hey, it is what it is. Yeah, that's gonna do it for me, guys. I can see buyers coming out of this area, and I can see buyers coming in really hard, but it's not gonna be for me. I've done everything I needed to do today. It's kind of hard to not buy this though, right? Oh, it looks so good for a buy, but I'm not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lock this up for the rest of the day. I'm done for the day. 196. Nice little base hit. Nice little base hit. Nice little base hit. So yeah. Hey Mo, appreciate that, man. Yeah, after that bullish engulfing on the 5, it's like, yeah, that's pretty much far enough for what price needs to do. We can definitely just reject all the way up. Just give him a couple dollars and let me get out. I'm waiting for a sweep here. They may go for a buy to 550. I feel you. This, that 15 minute, this right here, we start to close above here, we're probably making a new all-time high today. So yeah, that's good enough. 196, that's good enough. Wish I would have squeezed out a little bit more, but it is what it is. All right, guys. My account is locked, and I have nothing else to trade. I could place a dummy trade.
Order filled.
See if this pops all the way up to there. Nah. Practicing bad habits. All right, guys. I'm getting out of here. If you like what you've seen, like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, it's been almost 3 hours. In front of the charts. I'm getting out of here. So I'll let the stream rock for another 2 minutes, and I'm getting out. I'll see you guys.